Sometimes you don't buy a product because it's functional or practical. You buy a product because it's freaking amazing. This is the iFixit Mini-Saber, and trust me, you have to have one of these. It's freaking amazing. If you don't believe me, stick around because we're gonna burn some stuff. Look, you have to admit, that was pretty awesome. At the end of the day, this is a fancy butane torch, but it's also a pretty good one too. It's a limited edition run, $100 standalone model. I like the look of the iFixit version. These ridges right here make for a really good grip, and I like the scaling as well. This blue ring lets you adjust the height of the flame. It's easy to refill, and the wings are just, nice. I like black and blue together. And keep in mind, this is a hacksmith collaboration. If you don't like the look of this iFixit version, you can get hacksmith's take on the concept, which are pretty interesting too, and less expensive in one case. The gold model that reminds me of a Jedi console lightsaber is probably the most affordable option at $85. The one thing I didn't test is the hacksmith color changing inserts. With those, you can change the color of the flame, but I can't justify the price. It's $16 for a pack of 10 inserts that last 1 to 2 minutes each, plus another $9 shipping, and that's assuming you don't notice the $2 shipping protection they add on by default. By the time it's said and done, it's $24 to $26 for 20 minutes of pretty colors. But you don't need any of that anyway. If you're an adult, buy one of these Mini-Sabers and have safe, responsible fun. I have the links down below. They're not even affiliate links. I get nothing for your purchase. I just like the Mini-Saber a lot, and you will too. If you like this review, make sure to subscribe to the channel and maybe consider joining my Patreon. Patreon members get early access to my reviews whenever possible. Until next time, bye!